This video tutorial will show you how to set up a dual boot system with Windows and Zorin. Remember, back up any and all important data in Windows as a precaution. While it's unlikely anything will go wrong with the installation, there is always a chance. You have been warned. The first thing we need to do is shrink the Windows partition so Zorin can be installed. Click on the Start button and navigate to Utilities, then Disks. If you have more than one hard drive, look for the one that has multiple NTFS partitions. It should be the first one in the list. Once the drive is chosen, click on the largest NTFS partition, most likely 2, and then the Additional Partition Options button. Now shrink the partition so the new partition will have a minimum of 50 gigabytes, then click on Resize. You'll now notice you have a new partition. The last thing to take note of is the device. Below the volumes bar you'll see Size, Contents, and beneath that Devices. Note the 3 letters before the number. In this video it's SDA. We can now close the Disks program and start the installer. Choose your language and keyboard layout. Next, check Install Third-Party Software. Click Continue and leave Install Zorin alongside Windows, then click Install Now. Confirm the changes to disks. Make sure the letters in parentheses are the same as the device in the Disks program. Again, in this video it's SDA. Change your location to your city or a city near you. Next, enter your name. Change the computer name and username if you want, then choose a password. Click Install. Now sit back and wait for Zorin to install. Once installed, click Restart Now. You now have Zorin installed. If you want to go into Windows, simply reboot and choose Windows Boot Manager from the menu. Your screen might look a little different from this video.